Hey guys, I got another Grand Wagoneer issues for dummies. This is going to be a short, quick video. This is about the wheel center caps that you have. Now this is an 87 Grand Wagoneer. Now these are older center caps that I got off Facebook Marketplace. I got a really good deal on them. They're used. This is a driver, so I'm not really concerned about it. They're dirty right now. I went ahead and repainted the Jeep emblem. I think this is supposed to be, I think these were just black and white if I remember right on this particular year, but it looks like the paint's coming off. It was just model paint. Been on there for probably about a year now. Have to touch that up. But anyway, so a lot of these center caps are missing on a lot of your Wagoneers, especially if you just recently bought one. You probably have some missing ones if it wasn't a fully restored Wagoneer. And a lot of times the reason they're missing is those screws corroded. They probably used dissimilar metals and they corroded and broke off, basically, probably inside your wheel. That's how they were on this particular vehicle. And there's a real easy fix for that. You don't have to worry about, you know, trying to get those screws out of there and all that. Basically, just take the center cap, take the wheel off, take the center cap, lay it on there, and just clock it where the holes are in the different locations. So just move them over to the next lug nut, basically, and then mark your holes, and then take a drill and just drill them out. You can go all the way through if you want. Just, you know, a drill for the particular screw that you're going to use, and you can pick up these screws at any hardware store, but I mean, you can also buy them online for the Grand Wagoneer or whatever if you want to. Drill them out. Then what I did is I took a self-tapping screw that was the same size as the screw that I was going to use, that had like a bolt head on the top of it, so I could put it in a drill and make it thread. It basically threaded the wheel, and then took it back out, put some anti-seize on the bolt, the screw, and then screwed them in, and then there's no problems. They're not loose or anything. You know, they're nice and tight, and it was a simple fix. You know, you didn't have to worry about trying to mess around with the screws. So if you're missing some center caps, just think about doing that. It's really, like I said, it's really easy to do if you take your time when you're marking the holes, and use a center punch before you start drilling. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.